Good afternoon, everybody. This is Mr. Dubé. Just want to share a short video regarding unit price prior to your summative tomorrow. So there's been some misunderstandings, so we want to clarify a few points here really quickly with some sample questions that I'll provide full solutions for, and then give you an opportunity to practice this skill yourself. The first thing I want you to remember is that when we're dealing with unit price, the concept of cost divided by quantity is a must. Okay, the cost, even if not presented first, must be inserted first into your calculation. So it's always the cost divided by the quantity. So let's take a look at our first question here. Walmart is selling a package of 5 pencils for $2.10, and Staples has a dozen pencils for $3.75. What is the unit price for each store? So obviously, using good organization, we'll start with Walmart, and the cost first is $2.10. and the quantity is for 5 pencils. Right? So cost divided by quantity. So I'm going to divide this by 5 to get the cost, or the unit price per pencil, would give me 42 cents per pencil. Okay, this is a unit price. It's the cost for a single unit or a single pencil. Okay. Staples, our second store, has a dozen pencils, which we hopefully know is 12 pencils, for $3.75. So cost, $3.75, divide by quantity. So I'm going to divide by 12 and divide by 12 is going to result in a cost of 31 cents per pencil. Okay. So if we were asked to compare the price, unit price at each store, we'd find that while it's 42 cents per pencil at Walmart and only 31 cents per pencil at Staples, pencils are 11 cents cheaper at Staples. Okay. Cost divided by quantity. All right. Let's look at a similar question here. Costco has a 3 kilogram package of fresh salmon for $42.66, while Food Basics has a 1.2 kilogram package of salmon for $19.50. Who is offering the better deal? Again, staying organized. So let's look at Costco. Cost is $42.66 for 3 kilograms. Okay, so it's going to be cost divided by quantity. Divide by 3, divide by 3, and I get a unit price of $14.22 per kilogram. Okay. At Food Basics, cost $19.50 for 1.2 kilograms. So I'm going to divide by 1.2, cost divided by quantity, and I get a unit price of $16.25 per kilogram. We need to find a common unit of measurement here so that we can comparatively, look at these prices. Now we can tell, because it's the same quantity, Costco is offering a better deal at only $14.22 a kilogram versus $16.25. A good way to kind of complete this answer is to take the unit prices and subtract them to find the difference, which would be $2.03. So you could say, therefore, Costco salmon is cheaper by $2.03 per kilogram. All right. Now, as we look at our third example, please pay careful attention to the slight difference in this style of question. Okay, it says No Frills is offering a 710 milliliter bottle of Gatorade for 88 cents. At Freshco, 900 milliliter bottles are on sale for $1.09. Where are you receiving the better deal? Now, the important thing to note here is the unit of measurement, milliliters, is a very small quantity. And whenever we're dealing with a small quantity, oftentimes the unit price will appear to be 0 cents per milliliter or 0 cents per gram, another small quantity. So what we have to do is we need to find the cost per 100 milliliters. Okay, and I'll demonstrate why. Okay, so as we set up the no frills unit price, cost is 88 cents per 710 milliliters. So I would divide by 710, divide by 710, cost divided by quantity still. So 88 cents divided by 710 milliliters results in this value here. Remember, our monetary system has 2 decimal places, so we have 0.00. The 1 would round down, so we would cut it off, and it would appear that this Gatorade is free. Okay, we know that's not true. Okay, so in order to get a more functional and usable unit price, we have to multiply this by 100, so we get the cost per 100 milliliters. So I'm going to multiply by 100, and it would give us this. So now, so times this by 100, and round it to the nearest cent. Again, we have 12 cents. The 3 rounds down, so we remove it and everything afterwards. So we have a unit price of 12 cents per 100 milliliters. Okay, and we're going to do the same thing for our second store, which in this case is Freshco. Okay. Cost is $1.09, and that's for 900 milliliters. So cost divided by quantity, so I'm going to divide by 900, divide by 900, and again we're going to have to multiply that by 100. Okay, so demonstrating this calculation, $1.09 divided by 900. Again, it appears to the nearest cent. This would be free, which we know it's not, so we're going to multiply it by 100 to get the cost per 100 milliliters. And again, 0.12 is 12 cents. 1 rounds down, so remove that and everything after. And we now get a unit price of 12 cents per 100 milliliters. So to answer this question, where are you receiving the better deal? Both stores are equal. So therefore, both stores have the same unit price. Okay, so remember, when we're dealing with larger quantities, kilograms or liters, we can get the cost per kilogram or the price per liter. When we're dealing with small quantities such as milliliters or grams, we'd find the cost for 1 milliliter or 1 gram and then multiply by 100 to have a more functional unit price. Okay, so what I'd like you to do now is I'd like you to pause the video here and attempt this question that you see on the screen on your own, and I'll provide the solution to this question in a second video. Thank you.